All right, here we're going to discuss what in the world is the ambiguous case. And this is a pretty intense diagram we're looking at. And we're going to explain that in a minute. But what I really want to get clear and make sure that it really sits well with you is just knowing when you have the ambiguous case. So what happens here is the ambiguous case, it's when you're given an angle and two side lengths. The angle is not included between the two side lengths. So, or they're saying side length, two side lengths and an angle. It doesn't matter about order. So when I look up here, let's go back to the first two examples. What was given to us was this angle, and that side length. So this is known as angle, side, which was at case 1, or SAA, it doesn't matter. All right, let's look at the next one. The next one was given angle. Oh, but look, see how that side's between the two angles that are given? So that is known as angle, side angle. Now, the ambiguous case, something really ambiguous happens. We don't know how many triangles we're going to get. So before we get down that road, I really want to make sure that you can recognize when you're given the ambiguous case. All right, so if I go to example 2, we are going to first just say if it's the ambiguous case or not, and then we'll come back to this after we talk about what actually does the ambiguous case mean. So all I'm asking you here is if it's the ambiguous case or not. In other words, I'm asking you, does it create SSA or ASS? So when I look here, number 1, side length is 2, R is 1, S is 43. I'm like, oh, I see 2 side lengths and an angle, I'm going for it. But please draw yourself a diagram first. And I'm going to just, okay, so it's my triangle is SRY, it doesn't matter orientation. And side S is given to me, so I'm just going to mark it, not really label it. R side length is given to me, and S is given to me. Okay, that does create ASS or SSA, so this is the ambiguous case. All right, let's try 2. Now 2, I'm running out of space. I'm going to go here and make it little. It doesn't matter orientation, so I'm going to label these any way I want. S is given to me, little r is given to me, and little y is given to me. Now that is actually side angle side. Your angle's included, so that is not the ambiguous case. Does this make sense? All right, so now going here, number 3, I'm going to, again, label any which way I want. Looks like I'm lack of creativity doing it the same. Y is given to me, little s is given to me, and little y is given to me. That is SSA, so that is the ambiguous case. So what I would like you to do is pause this video and see if you can just tell me yes or no on the last 6 of them. And then I will keep talking, pause it, and then come back so you can check your answers. So this one, it looks like it's 2 side lengths. Yes. 5 is going to be no, it's all side lengths. 6 is yes. 7 is no. 8, what is 8? No. And 9 is yes. Now, any of you able to see a pattern in order to figure out if it's the ambiguous case? what the pattern is you always have to be given two sides and an angle, all right? But the angle that's given to you, the corresponding side has to also be given to you. Okay, so let's look here. This angle is given to me. The corresponding side is given to me as well. So if you're looking at 7, my angle M is given to me, but I don't have a side length M, so that's why it's a no. 9, L and my corresponding side. And then you have the other side as well. Does that make sense? We'll talk more about this in class. All right, I'm going to stop it there, and then we're going to pick up on how to solve for this.